Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are having another video with Cook with Toni series. This time, let's make no-bake meaty macaroni, and here are our ingredients. So first step in cooking, mag-isa lang tayo ng bawang at sibuyas sa butter. Just like that, and then mix them well together. Next na gagawin natin is to add our ground pork. This is half kilo ng ground pork. Make sure na mag-isa siya ng maigi, ma-mix para hindi magbuo-buo yung giniling natin kasi baka magmukha siyang meatballs. And that's not our goal for this menu. So ayan, isa lang natin siya ng maigi. Mix them well. And then we are going to add 1 pork cube and salt and pepper to taste. Ikaw bahala how much pepper you would like to put in. Mas maganda yung dahan-dahan lang yung paglagay ng salt, and i-adjust mo lang siya later on. Mas mabilis or mas madaling magdagdag kasi magbawas ng alat later on. And so let's again mix them well together. At pag nawala na yung pagka-pinkish nung giniling ng pork giniling natin, now you can add in the sliced button mushroom. And then again, mix well hanggang sa maluto sila ng maigi. And when they're all blended in together and luto na yung mga meat and mushroom natin, it's time to put in the spaghetti, sweet style spaghetti sauce. For this one, I prefer using the sweet style kasi alam mo naman tayo mga Pinoy, yun yung mas gusto natin eh. Ayun natin ng maasim na pasta, and especially if you have kids, they would love the sweet style sauce. And saglit na lang yan siya, and ready na ang ating red sauce. And when the red sauce is ready, just set it aside so that we can go ahead and prepare naman and start making our bechamel sauce. This would make our pasta dish creamy. So to make a bechamel sauce in a clean pan, in a very low fire, i-melt natin yung butter doon. So if you put in 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour din ang ilalagay mo. So 1:1 mixture. Alright. So once the butter has melted, add na natin yung flour. It's nice to use a whisk for this one para mas na-blend talaga natin ng maayos yung flour and butter together. Para walang clumps or walang buo-buo. And mix. And then we'll add the evaporated milk in 1 big can. For this one, I usually use Carnation Evap. And mix them well together again hanggang sa mawala yung buo-buo and mag-thicken yung white sauce natin. So take note na this one needs to be in a very low fire. And after a few minutes, ayan, nag-thicken na yung sauce natin. And that's how fast and easy in making our bechamel sauce. You can add in just a pinch of salt. It depends how much saltiness you would like. And now we are going to assemble. So here's our cooked macaroni. Then i-layer lang natin yung ating meat sauce first. Then sa ating cooked macaroni. And it depends on how much sauce you would like. Saucier the better. And then once you're satisfied with the meat sauce that you put in, we can now add a layer of yung bechamel sauce natin on top. Look how creamy it is. Okay, just put in your desired amount ng bechamel sauce natin. It's up to you how much sauce you would like to put in there. When you're satisfied with that, lagay na natin yung cheese, grated cheese. You can use yung quick melt cheese, but for this one, I'm just using yung regular cheese na i-grate natin since this is no bake dish naman. And just to set the bechamel sauce and cheese together, let's put it in the microwave oven for about 2 minutes. If you don't have a microwave oven, actually it's good to go already. And after 2 minutes, here's our meaty macaroni with bechamel sauce. We are ready to eat. So it's a perfect dish to have, especially now that it's holiday season. It's very quick and easy, also budget friendly. So let's go, let's dig in and enjoy our meaty macaroni. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it if you would do so. Hit the bell button as well so you'll get notified every time I have a new upload.